since their first year of running a team, and you know, there's not enough good things I can say about the guys. You know, everybody in the company is passionate about drifting. So, you know, we have a great team here at Falken. We have 6 drivers. Tyler McQuarrie, who comes from traditional racing, drives a 350Z. Great driver, super cool dude. You know, he's definitely a lot more aggressive than a lot of the other guys you see come from, you know, road racing. Darren McNamara, my little Irish leprechaun buddy. He's in the Falken Tire Saturn Sky. He's just fast. You know, they call him the Bullet. He's super fast, his car's fast, and his style is to be fast. Justin Pollock, the rookie of the team, he's driving actually my old 2010 Ford Mustang. Justin's super aggressive, super proud to be running with him and having him on the team. Ross Petty, another teammate, he drives S15. You know, he's half privateer, half factory backed, and you know, just a real hardcore representation of what drifting is. We got Dai Yoshihara, who is a Japanese driver. He's a good friend and a good dude, and you know, our team's great. Between the crew, ASD, and the Falken Tire crew, and all my teammates, man, I couldn't think of a better place to be. It's just unbelievable, the growth and the progression that we have, and to be a part of it from day one till now, to see all the changes and how hard everybody has worked. You know, this is a team effort. I'm behind the wheel, but without the team and everybody, the awesome tires that we've developed over the years, there's no way that I'd be where I'm at. So it's a really cool thing to see, and we're not done, man. They're committed to the sport, and you know, drifting is growing, and so I'm just really excited about the future.